These are the three main reasons why your natural hair is breaking. One, it's constantly dry and lacks moisture. Two, you're constantly using heat on your hair without heat protectants. And the third one is probably the most overlooked, but usually the major reason. Your hairstylist does not know how to handle your hair type. In my case, all three were the reasons why my hair was constantly breaking at some point, and my stylist wasn't helping matters either because I was so busy and didn't give my hair as much attention as I would personally give my hair. And I had to go to my hairstylist, to get cornrows just to look good basically. But she doesn't know how to handle natural hair. She didn't know how to handle my type of natural hair, and she constantly had to apply heat on my hair before she can put them in cornrows. And she didn't use heat protectants. I know I should have said something, but I didn't. That's by the way. If you can relate to my story, make sure you learn from my mistakes and stay tuned because I'm going to be sharing how to reverse breakage in natural hair. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Precious Oge, OG for short. Please stick around to the channel by clicking on the subscribe button. So we're just going to jump right into today's video. I have already given you guys three major reasons why your natural hair is breaking. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of the best remedies to stopping breakage in your hair as well as bringing back moisture to your hair while using things that are easy finds or easy buys.
You need 1 or 2 bananas. Banana is rich in potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates, and vitamins, which help soften the hair and protect the hair's natural elasticity, preventing split ends and breakage. You'll be needing 2 or more avocados because this is the main ingredient of this recipe. I used about 3 avocados because my hair is really thick and really full. So if your hair has more density and volume, then you should use 2 or more avocados. Avocados are very rich in vitamins and essential fatty acids that are perfect for restoring brittle hair. Egg yolk is rich in fat, proteins, and nutrients that makes it a natural hair conditioner. It provides intense hydration to dry strands and strengthens your hair. The last and final ingredient is a good hair oil that is good for your hair. I'll be using the extra virgin olive oil. This oil has all the necessary ingredients and nutrients. It helps to soften the hair and it adds shine and moisture to your hair. Because your hair is dry and lacks moisture, these ingredients are packed with proteins that will add back moisture into your hair and strengthen your hair strands. So you just want to go ahead and blend this mixture together properly to form a paste before going ahead to apply it on your hair. Sometimes there are some little shafts or gunk in the mixture, so just go ahead and sieve it through a sieve cloth because you want to make sure you get all those gunks out of the mixture. You don't want to be putting that in your hair. Apply this to every strand of your hair. You don't need to apply it on your scalp unless your hair is extremely dry. Make sure to do this on slightly damp hair. This allows your hair strands to properly absorb the product you're putting on them. You want to make sure that your hair is well marinated in this mixture. Afterwards, you cover with a shower cap or a thick nylon bag, whichever you have to work with. Make sure to apply this after shampooing and conditioning your hair. This is if your hair is dirty. If not, just wet your hair first with a spray bottle with water before applying the mixture. After an hour, you want to rinse your hair properly with cold or lukewarm water. Do not rinse your hair with hot water as this will cause more damage and dryness. Cold water helps to seal the cuticles and reduce moisture loss. Keep rinsing your hair until the water coming out from your hair is clear. Okay, as you can see, make sure the water is clear before you stop rinsing. Once you're done rinsing out your hair, make sure to squeeze out any excess water from your hair with a cotton cloth. After this, you can now go ahead to do your regular moisture routine on your hair. For me, I like to go in with a leave-in conditioner, a nice hair oil. Virgin olive oil is my go-to, and a nice hair butter just to lock in that moisture. I would recommend oils like olive oil, argan oil, shea butter, or coconut oil because these are really easy finds, especially here in Nigeria.
I would advise you do this at least once or twice every month consistently, and you will see your natural hair regain its moisture and strength. Also, don't forget to moisturize your hair with water, leave-in conditioner, and a good oil to seal in the moisture at least every 2 to 3 days, depending on your hair porosity, because this is what is going to help your hair in a long run. Your natural hair needs water. Water is like the major thing that moisturizes hair. So don't forget to always put water in your hair at least 2 to 3 days and lock in the moisture with a good oil. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. I hope this video was really insightful and helpful, and I hope you give this remedy a trial because it's really going to help your hair in a long run. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe and watch my videos, watch the rest of my videos. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye.